everywhere. Fellow Americans are praying with you, they're thinking about you, and they want to help. And so I'm just a messenger here today, letting everybody here know that you are not alone, that you've got folks behind you. Obviously, the damage here is pretty hard to comprehend. Our hearts go out to the families who've been impacted, including those who've had loved ones who were lost. And that was true for the parents of some of the children here at Plaza Towers Elementary School. This area is known more than its share of heartbreak, but people here pride themselves on the Oklahoma standard. You know, what Governor Phelan's called being able to work through disasters like this and come out stronger on the other side. And that's what we've been seeing this week. From the forecasters who issued the warnings, to the first responders who dug through the rubble, to the teachers who shielded with their own bodies their students. Oklahomans have inspired us with their love and their courage and their fellowship. We know more is going to come back stronger from this tragedy. Your mayor said that you're already printing new street signs, and I want folks affected throughout Oklahoma to know that we're going to be with you every step of the way.